In today's digital age, making money online has become a popular and accessible option for people looking to earn a living. With the right tools and strategies, anyone can generate income from the comfort of their own home. In this article, we will explore the top 10 ways to make money online in 2023. 1. Freelance writing. One of the most popular ways to make money online is through freelance writing. There are numerous websites, such as Upwork and Freelancer, that connect writers with businesses in need of content. As a freelance writer, you can specialize in topics that interest you and work at your own pace. 2. Online surveys. Online surveys are another easy way to make money online. Companies pay individuals to complete surveys that help them improve their products and services. Some popular survey websites include Swagbucks and Survey Junkie. 3. Virtual tutoring. Virtual tutoring has become increasingly popular over the past few years. As a virtual tutor, you can teach subjects such as math, science, and English to students from all around the world. Websites like Chegg and TutorMe connect tutors with students in need of academic support. 4. Dropshipping. Dropshipping is a popular e-commerce model that allows you to sell products without physically storing them. With dropshipping, you create an online store and sell products directly from a supplier. Popular dropshipping platforms include Shopify and Overlow. 5. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. Companies like Amazon and ClickBank offer affiliate programs for individuals interested in marketing their products. 6. YouTube. Creating a successful YouTube channel can be a lucrative way to make money online. By creating engaging and informative content, you can attract a large audience and earn money through ads and sponsorships. 7. Online trading. Online trading has become increasingly accessible over the past few years. With platforms like Robinhood and E-Trade, individuals can easily buy and sell stocks and other investments online. 8. Social media marketing. Social media marketing involves promoting products and services through various social media platforms. As a social media marketer, you can work with businesses to create engaging content and increase their online visibility. 9. Online course creation. If you have expertise in a particular field, creating an online course can be a great way to make money online. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable allow you to create and sell your own courses to a global audience. 10. Cryptocurrency trading. Cryptocurrency trading involves buying and selling digital currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. With the rising popularity of cryptocurrency, there are numerous opportunities to make money through trading. In conclusion, there are many ways to make money online in 2023. Whether you're interested in freelance writing, virtual tutoring, or creating an online course, there is a path for everyone. By staying up to date with the latest trends and strategies, you can generate a steady income from the comfort of your own home.